Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. E-South Africa ama-cartel ngama-cartel, ama-syndicate ngama-syndicate. Kusho lokhu ngoba besikhuluma ngabantu ekuthiwa ama-water tank mafias. Okwaziwayo ukuthi bayakwazi ukumosha i-infrastructure ukuze bezokwazi ukuthi bona bathola amathenda bahambise amanzi emphakathini. Emveni kwalapho uGeneral Mkhwanazi wasitshela nge-drug syndicate, drug cartel. Okay, ngapha kune-illegal mining, ngapha kunalaba aba-hijack ama-building. Hhayi sekukhona-ke abaspecialize-ke ngama-club, ama-night club, ama-bar, bese kuba khona osisi laba abadayisa imizimba. Abantu abadominate kulo mkhakha ngama-China. Ngicela uzwe la.
Residents of Tshwane, today we are out in the CBD and the Sunnyside area. We started in this shop, it's called Accommodation at 368. What we've realized, this is the cartel of the Chinese that are running brothels, that at the front is the same arrangement as the likes of Ipintombi, where you've got a bar downstairs with all the slots and all the entertainment area, but there is a building outside that has about 33 rooms that are accommodating prostitutes. Now what we've realized, at least this is what they are telling us, is that when we hit Pavilion, my colleagues did a raid in Pavilion, then they say they closed here, so they told the girls to leave. But what we have done now is that we've confirmed that the rooms are empty, and we've arrested the illegal foreigners that they are hiring together with the owners, which are the Chinese. This group of people, they own about 6 brothels/bars in the city. So we have been able to go to 4 of those, so we need to complete the work. But this is what we are doing tonight. We'll just keep you posted on what we are finding on the raids.
Ngoba ngishilo ukuthi nama-China nawo wazibekile phansi. Angithi esikhathini esiningi sikhuluma ngama-Nigeria, sikhulume ngama-drugs, kodwa manje ama-China ayaspecialize kulo mkhakha okudayisa utshwala. Baphose osisi laba abathengisa umzimba, ama-room. Kunemali abayi-charge-ayo per month for ukurentisela labo sisi laba, baba-provide ne-security. Uyabona ukuthi labantu basebhizinisini bazosebenza eSouth Africa, bazanga ukuzodlala. Simo nje siphila phansi kwaso kule South Africa yethu ekhululekileyo, eholo president wethu wa Lord and Savior Ramaphosa. Njengoba uzwa-ke ethi ama-colleagues wakhe arede kwenye indawo ngoba lapha eTshwane ngithanda indlela ababambisene ngayo uDr Nasipho Moyo nethimba lakhe. Bathe ngoba lento masiyale babalekela ngapha ngcono siphume ngokwehlukana. Inhloso yethu iyodwa ukwenza iTshwane ibuseke. Abantu baseTshwane bayoba bazazi bafunana. Mabe ngabavotelanga labantu ukuthi baphasa iTshwane ngonyaka ozayo. Asicela ubone la.
Let me hold your hand. I want the president of China to see what you are doing here. Huh? Again?
So what about my car? My car parked inside.
Where? Where is it? You are even parking illegally.
So I don't have parking space because the owner can
This is your car, this big car. Look at the car.
Hurry.
Go.
Yes, sir.
Where is the other one? Come here. Come. Come here. You are waiting. No, you are waiting together here.
No, go back. Go back.
No. I want to check something. You are waiting. You are the one who was at Pavilion.
No.
It's Pintombi.
No. I'm here.
But that one was in Pavilion. This one. This one was in Pavilion.
This one is here.
Yeah, so you are the same cartel.
No same.
You are the same.
Oh,
Go.
there is a cartel.
Go.
The owner of this building is his father.
Ngicabanga u-MMC we-Public Safety lo, if I'm not mistaken, lapha eTshwane uphuma ku-EFF. Kubanjiswene, kuliwa nalesihlava esihlasele izwe lakithi. Wonke umuntu ofuna ukuzokwenza ibhizinisi engekho semthethweni ucabanga eSouth Africa. Shouthi eSouth Africa kulula. Ama-China ngapha, and lento ngeke bayenze bengeke abantu base South Africa babambisene nawo. Yabona ama-China manje ayaspecialize kulento yama-night club, kule yama-bar, ba-specialize la kugcwala khona thina. Le nto eyenzekayo ayikho yinhle, ikuvezela isithombe esibi nge-South Africa ukuthi i-South Africa izwe elingenamthetho. Uma wonke umuntu ofuna ukuganga nofuna ukwenza izinto ey'phuma endleleni, indawo kuqala icabangayo nefika ekhanda lakhe e-South Africa. Ngiyazi ukuthi ama-illegal immigrants akhona zonke iy'ndawo, wonke amazwe akhona, kodwa e-South Africa ngathi kwedlulele. Ama-drugs bayingxenye yawo, ngapha akudayiswa kwemizimba, ama-club njengoba nje kukhulunywa nge-Iphi Intombi, kukhulunywa nge-Pavilion, kukhulunywa ngey'ndawo ey'dayisa utshwala ezi-ownwa yibo labantu, ezinalabo sisi laba abathengisa imizimba. Ngokwehlukahlukana kwazo lezi ndawo zinama-services afanayo. And inkinga ekhona kuboshwa umuntu oyedwa, uyaboshwa lo muntu aphume abonakale sengabantu yabona manje bafika kule club sebeyamthola futhi, hayi wena sike sakubona, ngoba imali iyasebenza la eSouth Africa. Baqasha nabantu abangabona abangama-illegal immigrants ngoba benzela ukubarobha kahle.
Residents of Tshwane, we just concluded our operation. We were in the CBD and the Sunnyside area. We made a promise when we launched our 10-point plan for the festive season that we're not going to leave any corner of Tshwane untouched. There's a lot of activities that are happening. We started when we launched the plan. We're continuing every day, every night. Our officers are out there. We're working with our stakeholders, SEPS and Home Affairs. It's been a success because yes, it confirms that we still have illegalities in our city. Illegal immigrants are there, the brothels are there, the shops that are not complying. But I think residents of Tshwane can be assured that we are on the ground, we are making sure that they are safe, that they can enjoy their festive season. So yeah, I think it was a successful day. We just arrested a Nigerian here who I'm told is running a shop from our property. I don't know how he got our property. He was closed last week. He decided to reopen himself, but we are closing down again, but we have arrested him for employing an illegal immigrant. And I think all the shop owners must understand this. If we find you employing an illegal immigrant, we're gonna arrest you because you are breaking our laws. So the Nigerian is over there.
Niyabona ukuthi i-country thina sogcina singenayo uma kuqhubeka kuba nje. Ya sidinga ama-leaders anjengo-Dr. Nasiphi Moyo kanye nethimba lakhe. Funa ngikusho lokho. Abantu abanjengo-Dr. Mgcini Ntshwaku la eJohannesburg. Angifuni nje ukuyikhuluma indaba yaseKuruleni. Uxhakaza ngiqala ukumbona manje bengingamazi sonke lesikhathi ukuthi imeya yami uxhakaza bengingamazi. The way nje kungakhona. Sidinga abantu abazokwazi ukuthi kusebenzele umphakathi, abantu abazokwazi ukuthi umphakathi ubalulekile, awubalulekanga kuphela uma kufanele kuvote. Sidinga abantu abanjalo abazinikele. Angicaphuna ivideo yokugcina bese siyayivala le.
More than 13 injured at a illegal Shebino tavern. So as police, we made sure that those illegal liquor outlets, we close them down. And when we close, such liquor get confiscated, we go to court and get it confiscated to the state. So today we have destroyed 20,000, all different types of liquor. So all those drums that you see there is what members have pumped in there since the morning. So it's 20,000 liters of alcohol that, of course, we have got trained people that are know the environment, knows where to go and scientifically go and dispose of this. So we take that out of communities. Liquor is one of the generators of crime, and not only in Western Cape but across the country. But for Western Cape, this is what we are destroying today. And yeah, unfortunately, some of those things that some of the work that we have to do as the police to make sure that people must stick to legal outlets and, of course, respect the closing time of those outlets. And you do not have to, you must make sure you're not armed when you go to a liquor outlet so that there is peace. It's for enjoyment. If it is enjoyment, I don't know, entertainment. But you can't go for entertainment armed with knives and guns. So that's what we make sure that all generators of crime, we deal with them.
Kunabantu abangakwazi ukujabula. Kunomehluko phela phakathi kokujabula nokudakwa, into ezithu ezehlukene. Uma usudakiwe usungasajabulanga. Bakhona-ke abantu abawazi ukuthi injabulo kubo utshwala. Into ebuhlungu abagcini ngokujabula kuphela, bayalwa, bagwaza. Ngiyengizwa abantu uma bekhohlisana bethe abantu abaphuza utshwala banamaqhubu, abantu abanamaqhubu abakholwayo. Ngithi lo usho ngoba kabazi. Labantu laba bayakwazi ukuvusa igqubu lakudala balivuse lapha etshwaleni. Abantu basetshwaleni kunamaqhubu, kunezimpi mawuthi yazilandelela izimpi zo-3 years ago. Kunezimpi zamantombazane lapha etshwaleni. Bese kuthiwa abantu basetshwaleni bayathandana banaqhubu. Uzwa abantu bekhohlisana ubonto laba bamane bayisholo nje ngoba into uma uyithanda ukubona okubi ngayo. Ngicela-ke ukuyivala le video ngizwe ukuthi phawula kwakho la comment section. Ngale kwalokho mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.